Hey everyone, experiencing low MS or FPS drops in Mobile Legends Bang Bang on your Android device? No worries, I've got some quick and effective solutions to boost your performance and fix those issues. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch to a Wi-Fi connection if you are using mobile data. If you are already on Wi-Fi, restart your router and move closer to it for better connectivity. You can also enable speed mode in the game settings to prioritize connection quality. Next, adjust your in-game settings. Open Mobile Legends game, then go to settings, then graphics and select smooth for better FPS. Disable unnecessary visual effects like shadow and character outlines. Also enable HFR mode, is high frame rate mode, if your device supports it. Lastly, update both Mobile Legends and your device software. Bug fixes and performance improvements often come with updates. If your device has been running for a long time, restart it before gaming to free up memory. That's it. Follow these tips and enjoy lag-free Mobile Legends battles. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more gaming tips. See you in the land of dark.